Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie puff pastry full guide. Prepare your workspace and gather cold butter, flour, salt, ice water, rolling pin, and a bench scraper. Keep everything chilled, including your bowl and hands, to maintain flaky layers. I will walk you through mixing, laminating, folding, resting, and baking with simple steps and friendly tips so you can make reliable puff pastry at home. Start by combining flour and salt, then work in cold butter until pea-sized pieces remain for flakiness. Add measured ice water 1 tablespoon at a time until the dough just comes together, not sticky. Roll into a rectangle, fold like a letter, then chill for at least 30 minutes between turns. Repeat folding 6 to 8 times, keeping dough cold, and relax to build those signature puff layers. When baking, start hot to create steam quickly and set the layers, then reduce temperature to finish cooking through without burning. If your butter melts into the dough, return it to the fridge and handle it minimally going forward to restore temperature control. For pies, blind bake when needed, use an egg wash for golden shine, and dock areas where you want less rise so your filling sits evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.